Welcome to our video on the new and easy way to transfer your GCash balance to PayPal instantly in 2025. Let's dive into how these two popular payment platforms work together. Firstly, let's highlight the instant transfer feature, which allows seamless transactions between GCash and PayPal with just a few taps. To start, we'll guide you through linking your GCash and PayPal accounts in simple steps. Let's get started. Before transferring, it's vital to check your GCash balance. Here's how you can easily do that. Now, let's initiate the transfer from GCash to your PayPal account. It's a quick process that we'll walk you through. Once you start the transfer, there's a confirmation and verification process that ensures your transaction is secure. Sometimes, you might encounter delays or errors. Don't worry, we'll cover the common issues and how to solve them. To ensure your transfers are always successful, here are some helpful tips and tricks. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap the key benefits of using this instant transfer method. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and try out this method for transferring your GCash balance to PayPal today.